My name's Alan Bevan. I'm one of the volunteers with Pontypridd Park Run, which started roughly 2013. Originally I started going to Park Run in Cardiff, and I thought, well, why can't we have something like that in Pontypridd? So I then contacted RCT Council and Pontypridd Town Council, and they come on board, provided some funding, and that's how it started. The very first park run we had 176 runners, and I think that's common to first time park runs, that you get a big influx of people and it dies off. And over the last couple of months we haven't dropped below 200 runners, and I've noticed over the last couple of months we're getting more and more women running as well, so I think it's growing every week.
I'm Simon Pritchard from Pontypridd Rodents. Today I'm run director at Pontypridd Park Run. On a Saturday the most crucial roles are the people around the course, just to make sure everyone's safe out on the course. You know, they can get back to us if there's any sort of problems. In terms of the core team around the finish, we have people doing the timing, which is obviously vital. Someone giving the tokens out, which tells you what position you're finishing, and then the barcode scanners, because that marries the times to the position.
There's around about 15 to 20 core volunteers that we can really rely on every week. But what we are noticing, where Pontypridd Rodents was the main volunteering group, we now are, the runners are actually saying, oh look, I can't run next week, can I do some volunteering as well? So that's developing as well.
It's just a very friendly environment. There's no pressure on people. We have people walking around, we see people walking, you know, it just works really well.
I've done 117 or 118 now, most of which have been at Ponty. It is simply good to come out and run, and people of all ages, all shapes and sizes come to the park run.
Oh, I love it down here, it's great, yeah. The course is good, but the atmosphere is fantastic. It's a big family, it's lovely.
We started with a women's running group with Alan Bevan in the park on a Monday night, and then from then on we joined the Robbies.
It's friendly, very welcoming, you feel part of a team, and you just feel so much healthier.
The volunteers, they become your friends really. I mean, these are the people who give their time, their energies to make this possible. Without the volunteers it simply wouldn't happen.